Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is Muhammad Kamal, lecturer Department of Mathematics, Scholarship Student College. My dear students, happy Eid Mubarak to all of you. And the last class we have discussed basic concept about the parallel lines. There are only 50 to 60 students connected with the live class. Inshallah, today we will formally discuss these topics. So there are only 50 students connected with this live. Dear students, you can share or tag this link to your friends to be connected with this live. First of all, please do comments. Top line of the board, right side, left side, bottom line, and lighting. Everything is okay. Can we start our class? Last few days we have been facing some internet problem due to submarine cable problems, and so hopefully, inshallah, today we are going to discuss our class properly. Inshallah, you can enjoy your class today more. Dear students, please do comments. Is it everything okay? Top line of the board, right side, left side. Is it okay? Can we start our class formally? My dear students, please do comments. Yes, sir. Naba, Faizus, if everything okay, sir. Adab, I am Abhijit Roy Chaudhary. Thank you, sir. Everything clear. We are going to discuss our class formally. Okay, my dear students, I'm going to discuss this class. Please, you can do comments if you face any problems. First of all, we are going to discuss here the content number, chapter 6, parallel line, chapter 6, and the topic is parallel line. Topic parallel line, parallel lines, and today is the date, stand 08/20/20 at the second class after vacation or second lectures classes, and page number page 132. So my dear students, today so get ready with your maths book. I think we are facing some problem in internet problem. Sir, both video and sound is clear. Okay. The parallel lines, today we will discuss here our formally topics. Number one, we are going to discuss the parallel line. The topics just start now here. First of all, we can consider here the first line and another one line here. And transversal. This is A, this is B, this is C, this one is D. E and F are transversal. This is the P, this is the Q. And formally you have to know the content are, and we will discuss the content here. Number A, most common topics, or number one, we can discuss here acute angles and acute angle, G is the right angle, and obtuse angle. obtuse angles. Then number two, we will discuss here adjacent. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles related content. Complementary angle. Complementary angles. Complementary angles. Supplementary angles. Straight angle. Straight angles. Then, according to the parallel lines, we will discuss here number three, vertically opposite angle, vertically opposite angles. Then, number four, vertically opposite angles corresponding angles, alternate angle, alternate angles, interior angle, interior angles. Vertically alternate angle, interior angles, corresponding angles. So, uh, okay, these basic topics we will discuss here, my dear students. Be attentive. I think top line of the board, I think there are problem we are facing. I think there is a yes. Okay, sir. I think corresponding angle, supplementary angle. Okay, sir. Sir, we cannot see this upper side. Now is it okay? Taslima, sir, you can see we have reshapes our board. Now, my dear students, give attention. I think মাঝখানে যে লাইটের যে আলো এটা আমরা আসলে একটু চেঞ্জ করব ইনশাআল্লাহ আর একটু sir now is it okay now yes sir uh, this is the basically these different types of angle which are related with the parallel lines and the triangles and if you know all definitions and the difference in between them then your concept will be clear and properly you can answer creative questions by using this content. So first of all, you have to know definitions of all angles and what is the difference in between them and how you can identify from different types of angle from a figure. And by using this angle, you have to find or you have to make a relations in between them. So these are different types of angle. All of you know the definitions of acute angle. The acute angle means if you draw a line here, like this one, if you draw it, sorry, the acute angles. Like here, this is the line. I think all of you know here. This is the right angle. and here will be 90 degree. So this all of you know this is the right angle which measures is 90 degree. And when the measures is smaller than 90 degree, like this is the 90 degree and this is the 90 degree. If the measures is smaller than 90 degree, this angle will be acute angle, acute angle. When the measures is greater than 90 degree, the angle which measures is greater than 90 degree, and this is called obtuse angle. So, and this is the measures is 90 degree. There are three angles here. The 90 degree, right angles. Another name of 90 degree angle is right angle. So, if we like consider here, it's almost common. We start these topics from class 2 and 3. Acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle. So, acute angles, we can indicate this acute angle. The like this is the straight line here, and this is also the vertical line, and this is the right 90 degree angle. So we can mention this one as a right angle. But the while this is the lower portion and this is the upper portion, when we just reduce this one and angle reduced. This which is greater than 0 degree but is smaller than 90 degree, there will be acute angle. But again straight line, this is the 90 degree. Now just increase the angle shape, there will be obtuse angle. While the both two are in a straight line, this one will be straight angle, which is 180 degree. So my dear students, the first of all, acute angle, the angle which is measures the 90 degree, it may be 50 degree or 45 degree, 60 degree, 89 degree. And this is the 90 degree angle. The right angle, the angle which is greater than 90 degree, it may be 120 degree or 91 degree, but it's smaller than 180 degree. This is called the obtuse angles. So these three types of angles, all of you know: acute angle, right angle, and obtuse angles. According to as far as their measures, we mention or we identify the different three angles, which is basically formed by two rays. So, but one of the most important definition is adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. Then, after completing adjacent angle, then you will know the complementary angle, supplementary angle, and straight angle. So, now we will discuss this one, my dear students. Like, if we start from here, adjacent angle. We know in an angle, how many lines you see here? Like, this is the line we can mention here OA. And this is the ray, and another ray we can mention here. This is the OB. OA and OB, two rays meet at a common point O. And this is called vertex. VERTEX of the angle. The top point. Like how many vertices here? 1, 2, and 3. This is called the top point. In a triangle, we see here 3 top points. That is, a triangle has 3 angles and 3 vertices. And but in a square or the quadrilateral, how many angles we see here? 1 top point, 2 top point, 3 top point, and 4 top points. That's how we get here 4 angles and 4 vertices. So here we see now. Here we see two rays. The first ray OA, second ray OB. Both meet at a common point O, which is called the vertex. What is the common vertex? If you draw another ray here, OC. If you draw here another ray OC, now how many angles are created here? Yes, OC. Now, how many angle you see here? This is the one angle, this is the another angle. But in the two angles, the angle first one, angle 1 and angle 2. But in the two angle, we see here common ray. In the both angle, in both angles, angle common ray is OC. In the both angle, we see here common ray. Like if you consider here, like if you erase this one, in angle A, we see here one ray is OC, another ray is OA. But in angle 2, we also say here OC. So this is the OC is the common ray and the common. And we can write here and common vertex is O. So this is the definition of adjacent angle. When the two angles have a common ray and common vertex, then together they are called adjacent angle. My dear students, give attention. When the two angles have a common vertex, which is O, and a common ray, which is OC, then together they are called adjacent angle. This is one of the most important definitions in angle. Define adjacent angle with example, or draw an adjacent angle and define its. 2 marks question number 8. I am repeating again, when the two angles have a common ray and a common vertex, then together they are called adjacent angle. Is it clear to you, my dear students? Please do comments. The adjacent angle definition is clear to you. As far as adjacent angle, we will define complementary angle, supplementary angle. So complementary angle and supplementary angle both are dependent on adjacent angle definition. So dear students, is it clear to you definition of adjacent angle? And this is the adjacent angle number 2. So please do comments. Yes sir. Surely after it's clear, don't give step. My dear students, please try to avoid irrelevant comments. This is the most important class, the basic class on the geometry part. And the window maximum student, they do not get the highest number in the geometry just due to geometry part. So if you good in geometry part, so it may be easy for you to find maximum number like 70 or 70 out of 70. Just only in times of exam we see the top list students, their mark reduce. The reason to be reduced their mark is only the geometry part. So please give attention and try to avoid the irrelevant comments. It's clear sir, it's clear sir. Okay, adjacent angle concept is clear to of you. Khondokar, Khaleda, thank you sir. Okay sir, it's clear to all of you. Now this again I am repeating this one. When the two angles have a common ray and common vertex, then together they are called, or together they form an adjacent angle. So this is the definition of adjacent angle. So another most important topics here now. We will define complementary angle and supplementary angle. First of all, you have to draw a 90-degree angle here. This is called OA and this is called OB. And this is the 90-degree angle here. But if you draw a ray here, this is the OC. Now, we will define the complementary angle. Complementary angle. Give attention. When the two angle Find the sum of two adjacent angle. Find the sum of two adjacent angle is 90 degree. Then one angle is called complementary angle of others. If you mention this angle is A, this angle is B. They are adjacent angle because they have a common ray OC, common vertex O. So when the two angles together make 90 degree angles, then one angle is called complementary angle of others. Here angle A is the complementary of angle B and B is the complementary of angle A. I am repeating again, my dear students, give attention. When two adjacent angles together make 90 degree or together make a right angle, then the one angle is called complementary angle of others. Like A is a complementary angle of B, B is a complementary angle of A. So if I asked you, if angle Sir, yes, is it now okay, sir? My dear students, please do comments. Is it okay? Yes, sir. Yes, already you are trying to answer, sir, 50 degree. Is it now okay, my dear students? Please do comments. I think last few days the whole Bangladesh is passing network problem, and all of you know due to submarine cable problem, Bangladesh is facing the net problem since 1st August. Yes, sir. Now it's okay. My dear students, please do comments. Yes, sir. Now it's okay. I think due to internet problem, we have been facing some problem. Okay, sir. Already, Kantarin, Kantarin Sultana, I think it's your name. B is 50 degree angle because is the complementary angle. So due to the answer, you have to answer from complementary angle. Complementary angles. On the concept of complementary angle, you have to answer B will be 50 degree. Or you can write B will be 50 degree because the two complementary angles together make, because two adjacent angles, they together make 90 degree. That's why one angle is a complementary of others. If A is 40 degree, then B will be 50 degree. 90 minus 40. That means it will be 90 minus 40. That is the 50 degree angle. So, now, my dear students, give attention. This is another part. Second part is the supplementary angle. Is the supplementary angle. Then now to answer here, supplementary angle. Like this is the A, B, the point is O, and ray is here O, C. Now see here, give attention. They are also the adjacent angle. because OC is a common ray and the common vertex is O. OC is the common ray, common vertex is O. If this is the angle A and this is the angle B, if the angle A is 80 degree, angle A is 80 degree, or you can write here angle A is 80 degree, then what will be the angle B? Please do answer according to the, this is not the complementary angle. You have to answer this question by using supplementary angle. If A is 80 degree, then what will be the answer of B? So, before doing this answer, you have to know the definition of supplementary angle. The supplementary angle, when the two adjacent angles together make 180 degree. Two adjacent angles together make a straight angle. Straight angle means two right angles. Two right angles means 180 degree. 180 degree means straight angle. Straight angle means two right angles. Two right angle means 180 degree. That means 90 plus 90. When the two adjacent angles together make 180 degree, then one angle is called supplementary angle of others. A is a supplementary of B, B is a supplementary angle of A. If A is 80 degree, then what will be the measures of angle B? And by using the definition of supplementary angle, you have to answer. Please do comments. Yes, sir, it's 100 degree already. Arifa Sultana, Shopna Khan, Wasik Ahmed is 100 degree. Suparna Devnath, Bulu 100 degree, 100 degree, 100 degree, 100 degree, 100 degree. So thank